This is the bolt circle calculator for hole coordinates, which calculates the precise x and y coordinates for holes arranged in a circular pattern. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have pitch circle diameter, or PCD, where you enter the diameter of the circle on which your holes will be positioned. Next is number of holes, where you specify how many holes you need around the circle with a minimum of 2 holes. Finally, there's start angle in degrees, which sets the angular position of your first hole, with 0 degrees as the default starting position. For our example, I'll enter a pitch circle diameter of 10 units, set the number of holes to 10, and use a start angle of 10 degrees. After clicking Calculate Hole Coordinates, the calculator generates a complete coordinate table showing the x and y positions for each hole. These coordinates represent the exact center point of each hole relative to the circle's center. The holes are evenly spaced around the pitch circle, with the first hole positioned at our specified 10-degree start angle, and subsequent holes following at equal angular intervals. This eliminates manual calculations and ensures perfect hole placement every time. Find the link in the description below.